B. Sri Lakshmi
and Adishri of class 9th of Amrita Vidyalayam Shiraturthi would like to introduce to you an array of medicinal plants.
Real wealth of every nation lies in the health of its people. Medicinal plants are nature's gift to make disease-free healthy life. Plants possess a miraculous power to alleviate pain and cure illness. Plants have been used from the early civilization as a source of medicine of all types of diseases.
In spite of synthetic drug development and production of antibiotics, plants occupy an important place in the modern and traditional system of medicines in all over the world. Modern medicines are primarily from synthetic or plant origin and they may have toxic effects, while plant medicines have less effects and less toxicity, and their importance is being realized by both developed and developing countries. It is expected that in the future, the plant products will play a major role in the healthcare program of all countries.
Ashwagandha. Its biological name is Withania somnifera. Uses. Ashwagandha is an ancient medicinal herb. It is classified as adaptogen, meaning that it can help our body to manage stress. It can boost brain function, lower blood sugar and cortisol levels, and help to fight against symptoms of anxiety. Bringaraj, known as false daisy in English. Its botanical name is Eclipta prostrata. Bringaraj is a traditional wonder herb that is hugely recommended for growing long, silky and strong hair. This herb belongs to sunflower family and is widely used all over the world for its immense benefits towards hair and overall health. Basil. Its botanical name is Ocimum basilium. Basil helps to reduce fever and cough. It is good for upper respiratory tract. Basil also protects against cancer and protects our liver also. Mexican mint, known as Panikurka in Malayalam. Its botanical name is Coleus barbatus. Panikurka is very common in most homes in South India. Panikurka is an Ayurvedic herb. The leaves are used for treating common cold, cough and fever in babies and adults. It is a natural antipyretic and more effective in children. Adalodakam, known as Malabar nut. Its botanical name is Justicia adathoda. This plant, with excellent therapeutic properties, is native to Southeast Asia and can be found growing widespread in Kerala. Adalodakam have been used to treat chronic cough, asthma and bronchitis and relieve congestion in the chest. Thyme. Its botanical name is Thymus vulgaris. Thyme is a Mediterranean herb with dietary and medicinal uses. The flowers, leaves and oil of thyme have been used to treat many symptoms. These include diarrhea, stomach ache, arthritis and sore throat.
Azadirachta indica, commonly known as neem, is a tree in the mahogany family. Uses of neem is that it contains antibacterial properties, cures asthma, controls diabetes and increases blood circulation. Curry tree, also known as Karivepa, is a tropical to subtropical tree in the family Rataceae. It is used to fight against cancer, good for hair growth, beneficial for eyesight and helps for liver protection. Phyllanthus neruri is a tropical plant commonly found in coastal areas, known by the common names stonebreaker, gale of wind or seed under leaf. The uses of this plant is that it helps in the treatment of diabetes, helps in lower fasting blood sugar and reduces weight.
Now, let's look for an easy solution for cold symptoms. This is a homemade cough syrup. Now, let's take a look at the ingredients. Tulasi leaves 20 to 30, Adalodakam leaves 4 to 5, Panikurka leaves 15 to 20. First of all, boil a glass of water. When it starts boiling, add Adalodakam and Panikurka leaves to it. Let it boil completely. After 2-3 minutes, take the leaves from the water and squeeze it along with tulsi leaves. And now our cough syrup is ready. If needed, add powdered palm sugar candy for better taste. Thank you. Namah Shivaya.